Hello, dear students. Welcome to the online education of Class 6 Science. Dear students, in the previous class, I was discussing about the lesson electricity and circuits, and it has been completed in yesterday's class. In today's class, let me explain about the exercise part. Okay, let us discuss about the exercise part. So, if there are any doubts regarding question answers, you can just drop me a message personally so that I can make the question answers clear. Okay, let's go for the question number 1. So, question number 1 is fill in the blanks. First one, a device that is used to break an electric circuit is called dash. Yes, it is nothing but switch. So switch is a device. It is either used to break the circuit or complete the circuit. So the answer is switch. So second one is an electric cell has dash terminals. Yes, an electric cell has two terminals. Those are positive and negative terminal. Okay. So now let's go for the question number 2, that is true or false. So mark the true or false for the following statements. So first one is electric current can flow through metals. Okay, so this is the first statement. So is it right? So electric current can flow through all the kinds of metals. So metals allow the electricity to pass through them, so hence it is true. So second statement, instead of metal wires, a jute string can be used to make a circuit. Yes, in place of metal wire, a jute string made up of jute can be used to make a circuit. Is it able to conduct the electricity? So it's not at all. So it is false, because jute wire is not a conductor of electricity, so it cannot be used to make a circuit. So C, okay, electric current can pass through a sheet of thermocol. Yes, it is absolutely false, because thermocol is not a conductor, it's an insulator. Okay, so now let's go for the question number 3, that is explain why the bulb would not glow in the arrangement shown in figure 12.3. So look at the figure 12.3. So there is a electric cell and electric bulb, and there is a no tester. So here is a tester. Some object is kept here for testing the bulb does not glow, whether it allows the electric current to pass through it or not. Yes, it's a metal. Okay, so it is nothing but the object which is shown here, which is connected to bulb and cell, it is handle screw. Okay, the handle of screw, it is made up of plastic, which is an insulator. So hence one side it is having a metal at the tip, but whereas its body is made up of plastic, which is an insulator. Hence the electric current cannot flow through the circuit, so which does not electric current to pass through them, or which does not allow the electric current to flow. So that is why the bulb does not glow in this diagram. Okay, in this arrangement. Okay, so it is quite simple, because insulators do not allow electric current to pass through them. So let's go for the question number 4 now. Okay, so that is complete the diagram drawing shown in figure 12.14 to indicate where the free ends of the two wires should be joined to make the bulb glow. Yes, see here what is given, it's very interesting is there. So an electric cell and an electric bulb, they are connected, but another side a switch is given. The switch is connected by the two wires. The free ends of the free ends of the wire of a switch, they are free. They are not at all connected to the cell and bulb, where they should be joined to make the electric circuit to make the bulb to glow. Okay, so light up. So that is given. So what we need to do, it's quite simple. The one end of the drawing pin, through which the bulb the wire which is connected to the switch or drawing pin of the switch should be connected to the one end, the terminal of a cell bulb, and another drawing pin, the wire which is coming from the drawing pin, should be connected to the another wire which is connecting to the electric cell. So by doing so, you can see in the red lines, this is how the arrangement can be made to make the bulb glow. So let's go for the question number 5 now. What is the purpose of using an electric switch? Name some electrical gadgets that have switch built into them. Okay, so why we need to use an electric switch in any kind of electric arrangement? Okay, so what is the purpose? So that we have to explain, and you have to name some gadgets, electronic gadgets, that have switches which are built into them. Means we can say inbuilt. Okay, so as we know that a switch is a simple device that either breaks the circuit or completes the circuit. Okay, the switches used in lighting of electric bulbs and any other devices in home work on the same principle. So what is the purpose of using electric switch means in order to complete the circuit or break the circuit. Okay, that's why we need to use that one. Okay, then so where are they used? So they are usually used in radio, TV, mobiles, okay, and some electrical toys. So they all have inbuilt switches in them. Okay, so now let's go for the question number 6 here. So would the bulb glow after completing the circuit shown in figure 12.14 if instead of a safety pin we use an eraser? Yes, see here. So here, would the bulb glow after completing the circuit shown in figure 12.14? Yes, the bulb would glow because it's one end of the switch is connected to the bulb, another end of the switch is connected to the cell. Yes, the bulb glows now. But in place of safety pin, where the two drawing pins are connected or made to touch with a safety pin, so if we use a eraser, does the switch makes the electric current to pass through them? Not at all. So eraser is an insulator, whereas safety pin is a metal, so it is a conductor of electricity. Whereas in switch, if we use the insulator, eraser is an insulator because it is made up of rubber, so circuit will not complete. So as a result, the bulb will not glow. Okay, so eraser is an insulator, so the circuit will not be completed, and as a result, the bulb would not glow. Okay, so now let's go for the question number 7.